Welcome to the vlog. So today we're having a little sleepover at Walt Disney World. I'm so excited, and today we are staying at the Coronado Springs Resort, which honestly I don't know a lot about. This is my very first time staying here ever, and I kind of wanted my outfit to reflect Coronado Springs. I don't really know if I'm doing a good job. Today's sleepover is actually a special sleepover because I'm not here alone. I am joined by Today we're doing a special sleepover because it's gonna be both of us having a sleepover here in Disney World. Before we do anything, let me show you guys the room because it's a cute little room. Here's the front door, and when you walk in, there's a cute little chair, which is where I put all of my things. So we have a little king bed, you know, it's cute, fun, perfect for the sleepover vibes. The TV is really cute. It's very classy music. And then the bathroom is super cute, and the lighting in the bathroom is really, really good. But yeah, we're so excited. So I think next we're gonna go walk around the resort, go check it out, and then go get dinner at, are we eating at Three Bridges? Is that what it's called? Yeah. Three Bridges. I've been there before a few times on a few dates. So excited to go on a friend date.
It'll be better.
It'll be better, I think. This is the view of our room. It's like, this is our room and it's blocked by this little thing. So like the view outside our room isn't good and there's not a lot of natural lighting, but I mean, it's fine because we can just come outside and it's beautiful. Look at this view. Like, that's beautiful. So we walked around the resort a little bit. It's really, really nice here. I really like it so far. We got a few photos and now the sun is setting. So we are now at, it's called this, but I thought it was called Three Bridges Bar and Grill. I don't really know. I think it's called Three Bridges. I'm pretty sure it's what it's called. But we're gonna come here for dinner because they have really good appetizers and they have good drinks and good food. So we're gonna eat here and yeah. See, the menu says Three Bridges, so I'll call it Three Bridges. We just ordered. I've never gotten this before, but Alice got the Sangria flight, which I'm very excited about. And then I got the cheese dip because Alice got corn dip. And what is the corn dip? I don't actually know. It's corn. So, I'm a really picky eater. I mean, you guys already know that. But in the dip, it's roasted corn, tomato aioli, Parmesan. But the Parmesan is in air quotes. Parmesan. It's not real Parmesan.
Wait, is it in quotation?
It's in quotations. Parmesan, tahini, and tortilla chips.
I don't know. I'm scared.
Well, we'll see. So I got the cheese dip because I didn't think I would like it.
It's really good.
Okay. Okay. We'll see.
Your sunglasses are so funny.
I just feel like without the sunglasses, it's not a look.
No, it is. You look so cute.
Without. Look, I'm gonna commit to the bit.
Okay. Did you show them the view?
Oh, here's our view. Thank you. Like, that is so beautiful.
That's the main building, which we need to go to at some point.
Thank you. Oh, wow.
It's that time of year. We are aboard Flight Sangria. Our first destination is going to be Land of the Sparkling. This is where you get your peach notes on top of the cava. Most people that get the flight, they gravitate towards this one. Next is Passional. You have Saint Germain elderflower, passion fruit notes, Grand Marnier on top of your Blanco. So you can expect that to be a little tart, but also refreshing. Now, passengers, I implore you not to move around the cabin. Please keep your seatbelts on. We're going to fly into some turbulence, okay? You have Sky Citrus Vodka, Crucian Mango Rum, prickly pear on top of your Rosado. So that's the go-to when you're late for the party and want to catch up real fast.
Oh, yeah.
But then a smooth landing to the land of traditionals. This is going to be the most traditional out of the four. Used to be my favorite until we swapped the components that made the Rosado. Before it was a strawberry gin apricot brandy blend. So unless you like brandy, you're not going to favor that very much.
Okay.
So that was definitely where the turbulence came in. But no, this is turbulence the way you want it. Enjoy, okay?
Thank
I
you.
encourage you to sip a little of each so you can see which one you gravitate towards. Your least favorite, you chug and get it out of the way, and then the rest you can indulge, okay?
Wonderful.
Yep. And how's your apps and everything?
So good. Okay, our server was so funny. I did not realize it was going to be a whole spiel with the flights. I was cracking up, but now it's time to try it. I am so excited. I didn't even know this was a thing, so this is so exciting. This is, I think, the peach one. Okay, let's try it. that's delicious. That is so good and refreshing. This we'll call the lemon one because it has a lemon in it. This one isn't as sweet. So far, I like the first one, the strawberry one, the best. So it goes strawberry, lemon. She said, if you're late to the party, this is the one you drink to catch up. So this is late to the party, I like it. I'll go strawberry, late to the party, lemon. And last but not least is this plum one. Yeah. Not my favorite. I think she said there's brandy in it. Not my favorite, but like still refreshing. Wow, this is so fun. Alice, which one is your favorite? Or what's your ranking? There's strawberry, lemon, late to the party, and plum.
I like this one, but it's boring.
Okay.
I really liked this one. I thought you would like it more.
Surprisingly, I like the sweet one, which normally I'm not a sweet person.
And then this one was stronger, I know that.
Late to the party.
Late to the party. That's my least favorite. I don't like that one. And I think this is like the generic red sangria they have everywhere.
Yeah.
So I'm used to that one. So this is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
We made it to the main building, and to be honest, I don't really know where we are. The headscarf came off. It was cute, but it kind of fell off, and I don't really feel like putting it back on. Sangria was so yummy.
We're going to the next bar.
And now we're going to the Dahlia Lounge, which is the rooftop bar, which like is a must-do when you come here.
Should we go shopping first?
Oh, I saw coffee, and I was like, we're gonna come here in the morning for coffee, but yes, let's go to the merch store. Cute. This is a cute little merch store. This elevator is very fancy. Oh, okay. So we're going there.
Yeah.
So, this is so high tech. Like, you don't press the button in here, you press it before you go. It's interesting. I'm excited for Dahlia Lounge though.
Yeah.
If you're there at the right time, you can see the fireworks. Oh, do you feel the pressure? I had to like pop my ears. We might be able to see Harmonious. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Okay, I'm putting you away because we're going to the bar by. So we made it to the Dahlia Lounge, and the fireworks are going off. I can't see them at the moment. I think we'd have to go outside. All the outside booths were taken. But we're here. We both got a little Chardonnay. It's cute. So far, I really like this hotel. Cheers.
Oh, there we go. That's what I'm waiting for.
Okay, so we just finished up at the Dahlia Lounge. Honestly, I had a great time. 10 out of 10. And now we have our little wines to go because we're gonna try to go to the pool, but we think it might be closed. One thing about this hotel is that it smells really good. We're making TikToks. Enjoy the behind the scenes.
Montana. What would you like to give? Hey, what's up? It's Hannah Montana. What would you like to give? I'd like to give you singing lessons. Just heard your new single. Ouch.
I didn't know what I was saying.
I just heard yours and I thought it was fantastic.
Really? That's kind of good. Okay, we're getting ready for bed now. It's like 2:30 in the morning. And we spent a really long time making TikToks, which was really fun. But now we need to get ready for bed. What music do you like?
Disney.
Disney. I got you.
Rotten to the core.
I guess we're in a Descendants mood, yeah.
That makes me glad.
On the wall. Good night, guys, and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. We're getting breakfast. Good morning. We just had our Mickey waffles. I got a Mickey and a mini waffle. I've never seen a mini waffle before, and it was so cute. Like, she had eyelashes. It was so cute. And then we got little coffees. So I just got an iced vanilla oat milk latte, and it's good. Like, I rate this honestly like a 9 out of 10, which is pretty high. Now we're just going to get ready. We're gonna go to Magic Kingdom and have a fun little Disney day. We have to check out in 35 minutes. And we still have to get ready and pack. So, speed. Let's go. Speed, get ready with me. Okay, we're all ready. New little outfit of the day. So we're going to Magic Kingdom. So the vibe today is like casual, cute, Mickey Minnie t-shirts. So Alice, let's do a little outfit.
Okay. Okay. So I got this tennis skirt on. I got this shirt yesterday at Animal Kingdom, and it's cropped already, but I tucked it.
It's so cute.
Thank you. Stony and Disney parks. Okay.
Cute. So my ears are from Disney. My t-shirt I got at Epcot the other day, and I just think it's so fun. It feels like a summer t-shirt. And then I'm wearing biker shorts from Lulu. And then I have on Mickey socks. I don't know if you can see them. I'm going for a classic Mickey Minnie look. So we're about to leave the hotel and check out, and then we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom and have a fun little Disney day. So we just checked out of our room, so sad, but I think we decided that we're gonna go take the bus to Magic Kingdom to get the full Disney resort experience. But I'm not gonna take my vlog camera with me. I just want to take this little bag today, so I'll just vlog on my phone. But this was a fun little sleepover. I hope you guys enjoyed a bestie sleepover, if you will. I still want to do my solo sleepovers, but we had just been talking about wanting to do like a sleepover together at Disney for a while, so you know, why not? I'm learning how to enjoy my time alone and enjoy my time with friends, because I think last year I spent so much of my time alone, and it was awesome. I don't regret it for a second, but now I have some cool friends, and I'm learning that I don't have to do everything alone. I can if I want, but I don't have to. So that's kind of where I'm at. Little life update check-in. Overall, I really liked Coronado. Now, I won't lie to you. I was honestly not wanting to do this sleepover. This was like the one resort I did not want to stay in alone because I didn't know anything about it. So I'm kind of glad that I got to do this resort with a friend, because for some reason I just feel like this resort is really fun with people, but I don't know how fun it would be if it was just me, because I don't know anything about this resort. But I really liked it, and I absolutely would stay here again. What I really liked about this resort is that I didn't feel like I was at Disney. I felt like I was at like a tropical beach location. As someone who lives here and goes to Disney all the time, that's really fun to feel. Whereas if I were coming here to go to Disney, like visiting from somewhere else, I probably wouldn't like it as much because I would want to feel like I'm at Disney. So that's kind of my review on that. The coffee though was very good. Mickey waffles were good. Last night we got like the French fries. We went back to Three Bridges and got the French fries, and those were so yum. They had like a special like seasoning on it. So good. So overall, I had a really fun sleepover, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little sleepover too. Next up is going to be Flower and Garden. So that's what I'm preparing for. I gotta pick out my outfits, and then after that I have a fun little, I guess, a surprise. I have not talked about it at all, so I wonder if you guys can guess. There was only one thing I said about it, and like maybe 3 people saw it. So I do have a fun little surprise coming up after Flower and Garden, so feel free to comment down below what you think it is. Your hint is that it is a sleepover, but that's not the point of what the surprise is. Okay, maybe I gave too much away, but yeah, let's go to Magic. We made it to Magic, and they're about to do Festival of Fantasy, so it's literally perfect timing.